Hi guys, I hope all of us are doing great. My name is Ernest and this is Ernest Sciences and Mathematics TV channel. Today's display is basically going to be on the discovery of radioactivity, and this is a process that we're going to see being described in elaborate ways in various discussions, especially under the topics of radiochemistry and radiophysics. Now, in a sense, today I wanted us to try and trace back some of the historical discoveries that were made by various scientists on the way along the way on this specific aspect of radioactivity. And these were the works of Pierre Curie and his spouse Marie Curie, who had done intensive studies on uranium and discovered two of the basic elements under the concept of radioactivity, and that is polonium and radium. Maria, of course, and her husband received a Nobel Prize. And later on, we're going to discover that she slumbered due to the effect of these specific radioactive materials, which of course affected her due to the exposure and some of the ionization, of course, properties that we're going to see later as one of the properties of this electromagnetic radiation. Now, Maria and Pierre Curie, of course, had done intensive studies on these specific elements. But later on, we're going to see that her daughter, or the spouse's daughter, that is was Irene Joliet Curie, and her husband, of course, did also some studies which led to the artificial radioactive series, especially the neodymium one that we're going to see later through bombardment of materials using the what we refer to as the neutrons. Now, in our next case, we're going to see also that the radioactive phenomenon is going to be experienced by elements which are of a specific atomic mass or a weight number, atomic weight or the atomic number that we're going to see in the periodic table. And these are going to display various characteristics, and they're going to fall under the range of, like this one is radium, as we said, but it's going to fall under the alkaline earth metals. But some of the inner transition elements, especially of the actinide series, are going to the actinide series are going to display, especially this range of radioactivity in a wider way, as we're going to see later. For instance, this one, of course, is polonium, and we're going to see the individual characteristics and some of the features which, of course, make it one of the radioactive isotopes that we're going to learn in this particular case. Now, so we're going to look at the subsequent works of various scientists along the way. We are going to appreciate that this foundation for the study of radioactivity that was laid by Henry Becquerel and other following scientists, of course, is going to assist us understand the present and, of course, applications like the section of energy and some of the medical fields that we're going to see these various for our day-to-day use and for the betterment. To check on our comment section, there are various links that we're placing there, which basically are going to be on various discussions of this concept of radioactivity and how we can be able to visualize it or quantify some of the areas or aspects like the energy that we're going to encounter along the way. So that is it for now. Catch us in our next video. Bye. God bless.